So, good evening, everyone. Once you filled the I am Indore form, you need to fill the other forms for all the colleges, and one of them, very important college, is IIM Ranchi. So, this is how we will be filling the IIM Ranchi form. We'll be covering the entire process in this video. So, you can go to the Google and type in IIM Ranchi IPM, and when you see the IIM Ranchi website, you can click on IPM 2026. Once you click on this is the first thing that will be visible in your screen. Have you registered or will be registering for the IPMAT 2026 IIM Indore? Because it accepts the score of IIM Indore, IPMAT Indore, it makes sure that you have to attempt that paper. Click on yes. As soon as you click on yes, you will get a set of instructions. Please note that the last date is 12th of April. So you need to fill this form apart from the IIM Indore IPMAT form before 12th of April. So you can just go down, scroll down and start registering yourself, right? So that is the first thing that we'll need to do for registering. So I've just entered my email ID and a password. You can click on get OTP. Once the OTP is received, you can just type in the OTP. I'll do that. And click on register. Once that is done, your registration is done. And now you can go and log in. So whatever the email ID and password you had selected, you can just click on that and type in. And now all the details needs to be filled. The first very important thing is you will have to fill your IPMAT ID. So I'll just type in my IPMAT ID. So I've entered all the details, name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, address, state, PIN code, country, email ID, mobile number, and then general category male, and then click on next. Probably this should not be zero. Yeah. Next thing is where you have to enter your qualification starting from 10th. So 10th, that being 2024 stream. So in 10th, if you do not have a stream, just type in NA, name of the school. Code. Now, when we are talking about the percentage, we have to include all the subjects, not just the best of five. So the percentage. So if most of you would be appearing in this, so you can just write and percentage, you can leave it blank. You have not received your mark sheet. This is not applicable, so you can just skip this. Now here you can enter all your extracurricular activities. So be it Olympiads, uh, first rank, second rank, whatever rank or achievements you have done at state level or school level, national level, and you can keep adding that. Right. So let's say I'm just giving an example, sports, first rank, national level. And make sure that you only enter the one where you have the certificates, right? So this is how you'll be doing it, and you can just move to the next part. Now this is where you will have to. So because we have not completed 12th, so leave all these things blank. Don't even write 2026. That means you are appearing and you do not have the result. Click on the next step. It will take you to the uploading wala part where you have to upload your photograph, 10th mark sheet, signature, and if you belong to any category, the certificates. Once the uploading is done, you can move on to the next phase. Just check here and then click on I hereby confirm all the details that are right. This is the page where you can check all the information, uh, and then this will take you to the payment gateway. The fees is 2500. So make sure once all the details are ready, you can make the payment through the UPI, credit card, debit card, or any of this. So this is how your process for the IIM Ranchi form filling will be. Thank you.